admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits?
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. I have a beautiful wig. This is one style. We're gonna do at least two today, so stick around for all the details about today's wig and install.
I'm like, yes, ain't no stress.
I know we say as influencers wigs are beginner friendly, but when I tell you this one is very much beginner friendly, like all I did was some baby hairs and you don't even have to do that.
You the best, I'm obsessed. I'm like,
I'm all in my pink vibe, pink moment. I got my pink Barbie Stanley, my pink robe, my pink slippers. So let's give a warm welcome to today's hair sponsor, Unice Hair. I love their wigs. High quality, affordable. Every time I get a Unice wig, I know what to expect and I know what I'm gonna get. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 7x5 glueless, pre-plucked, ready to wear, bye-bye knots wig. This is in the texture water wave. The density is 180%.
yes, ain't no stress. You the best.
Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums. When I tell you I can make it clap, had to make you wait for that. You intrigued with conversation, you be moving dolo, I'm intrigued and I'm in admiration. I can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validation. Still you looking good.
Look at her, this is her fresh out of the box. We're gonna try it on because why? That's what we do. Let's see if we can do it gluelessly today.
Natural without no operation. My old bitch tape.
This is cute. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Okay, so it fits really nicely. The lace is looking good. Everything is looking spectacular. Look at that parting space, baby. It's giving frontal, okay? Yeah. You guys excited? You can tell I'm excited because it's really cute. But we do want some baby hairs.
Now I'm banking on the sweet life when I'm next to you, giving you the credit you deserve cause it's overdue.
You got
If it goes longer than my eyebrows, that means it's too long. I'm gonna go in with some powder, a little bit darker than my skin. So I do want to tame the baby hairs, so I'm gonna go in with my product. If you guys don't know about it, check it out. I'm gonna start at the top. Basically what I want to do is tame the baby hairs and then we'll be able to lift it up afterwards, but we just kind of want to press it down and kind of form the shape right now, kind of thing. Yeah.
better when you met me, admit it. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low.
Trying to do something there, but it's not working out that way. We're going in with the Lace Lineage. Ooh, it's bright. Lace Lineage wax stick. Look at that, a wax stick that actually works. Look at the difference. Don't play with me, okay? Play with that Lace Lineage wax stick, baby. I used to think that wax sticks didn't work because they were just only greasy. Like they just wouldn't hold the hair or secure it down. It would just literally, like I said, it would just make it feel greasy. And then, like, what is the point of this? It's just oil stick at this point. But no, I was just using the wrong ones. If you need to go in with some more spray, just go ahead and do that. Not a big deal, right? So it's just, you know, finessing the technique. And if you're someone that struggles with baby hairs, just know that it does get better, okay? It just takes some time and some practice. There we have it. I love this hair, this texture, the curls looking very beautiful. Look at that.
Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes.
Yeah. I just know that I'm gonna melt her down, so we're gonna put the melt spray and just melt her down, baby. And no, I did not clean my makeup off. Wow, my forehead. I just looked up and scared myself with the size of my forehead. It is what it is. Yeah, that's the right amount of forehead space we want.
Won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back. Won't you come back to me? Come back, come.
So right there, it's still stuck. I'm gonna hit it with the blow dryer again.
I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you hit.
What kind of braid? I need to figure out a way to do a braid. It's almost like I forgot how to braid, y'all. These nails are so long. Some people can braid with long nails. Like, I'm just not one of them. Oh my goodness, the struggle is real.
You're miles away. It's safe.
It's gonna be a doo-doo plait. That's what we used to call it back in the day. Those braids that nobody wanted.
It's almost like you've disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about
Same thing, I'm gonna fluff it out.
me? If I change.
I don't know how this is gonna look. I still don't know. I'm just gonna recurl a few sections around here just to give it a more defined look. Showcasing the wig because the lace is where it's at. This lace, you can do many styles, as you can see. So this is the style that I came up with. What do you guys think?
I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me?
Final thoughts on this wig is it's beautiful, it's versatile, and it's just giving what you need to give. It's super comfortable. It's not feeling tight on my head, but it's feeling secure. Love that I was actually able to wear it gluelessly in the beginning of the video. It didn't feel like it was slipping. The only thing is that I worry about is like the sides because there were no combs here. It's gorgeous. It takes really well to the curling iron. And I love this like jet black color. I love black hair. And now it just reminds me like I need to dye all of my wigs black. All the ones that I've kept, I need to dye them jet black because jet black is literally where it's at. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Go check them out. I'm going to link this wig in the description box for you, so don't miss out on that. I'll catch you guys later in another review sometime soon. Bye.